treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volvo XC60. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include power front seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.